Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nihlardianti from class C with student ID H01245110. On this session, I will explain several main points from the video entitled The Power of Emotional Intelligence. Number 1, Introduction to Emotional Intelligence or EQ. EQ is the ability to understand and manage emotions in order to produce or desired behavior. We experience more than 400 emotions every day, and without control, those emotions can control our lives. Number 2, the story of Phineas Gage. Gage, a railroad foreman, had an accident in which a metal rod pierced through his head. He survived and remained as intelligent as before, but he lost the ability to control his emotions. This shows the importance of the connection between the rational brain and the emotional brain in self-control. Number 3, how emotions work in the brain. All experiences pass through the limbic system or the emotional center before reaching the rational part of the brain. Therefore, emotions come before logic. EQ means balancing both so that our responses are appropriate. 4. Society does not teach EQ. Many advertisements and cultural influences mislead us about what is truly good for us. Schools teach academic subjects, but they do not teach how to understand and manage emotions. Number 5, the difference between IQ, personality, and EQ. IQ and personality are relatively fixed from a young age. EQ, however, can be developed because the connection between the emotional and rational brains is flexible or neuroplasticity. EQ consists of two main aspects: personal competence or managing oneself and social competence or managing relationships with others. So that's all from me, and the next explanation will be continued by my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Romaulidi Ape with ID student number 8012437 from class C. I will continue to present the summary of the main points of the video, The Power of Emotional Intelligence. So, number 6, study on unconscious emotion. Blind people can still respond to facial experience like smiling or anger, even though they cannot see. This shows that emotional signals go directly to the limbic system and humans are sensitive to emotional atmospheres around them. Number 7, EQ and success. EQ influences 60% of a person's job performance. 90% of top performers have high EQ. Interestingly, the higher someone's position, like CEOs, the lower their EQ tends to be because their focus shifts more to results than empathy. Number 8, 3 main ways to improve EQ. 3 silver bullets. Manage stress. Mild stress can be useful, but chronic and heavy stress damages the brain areas responsible for self-control. Improve sleep quality. Getting enough natural sleep is important for cleansing toxins in the brain. Avoid sleeping pills and blue light from screens before bedtime. Reduce caffeine. Caffeine stays long in the body and can disrupt sleep quality, which in turn affects emotional control. The last number, conclusion. Emotional intelligence is a fundamental ability that affects every aspect of life: thinking, working, interacting, and making decisions. By improving EQ, we can become calmer, more productive, and more successful in various areas of life.